What if you could save money without constantly fighting temptation or feeling stressed about your finances? Are you tired of starting and stopping your savings plan because life just keeps getting in the way? What if there was a way to make saving effortless and consistent? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 smart ways to stay consistent with saving money, and these strategies will help you stay on track no matter what 2026 throws at you. Ready to start building the financial future you've always wanted? Let's get into it. 1. Personalize your savings goals and insights. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by your savings goals, like they're just too big to tackle? Many people face this challenge, especially when it comes to saving for large expenses like emergency funds, a new home, or retirement. Personalized savings goals are a game changer when it comes to staying consistent. Instead of setting one massive goal and hoping for the best, you can break it down into manageable, time-bound steps. With AI-powered tools available on many banking apps, you can create a savings plan that's tailored specifically to your income, spending habits, and cash flow. These tools analyze your financial situation and suggest realistic monthly saving targets, so you save what you can comfortably afford without risking financial strain. Imagine having an app that not only tracks your progress but also provides dynamic advice along the way. If you face unexpected expenses or changes in your income, the app automatically adjusts your plan, helping you get back on track without any added stress. This level of flexibility keeps you engaged, making sure your savings plan adapts to your real-life situation. Personalized savings goals and insights don't just help you save, they also keep you motivated. Watching your progress in real time and receiving helpful reminders means you're always aware of where you stand. This approach turns saving money from an overwhelming task into a manageable, proactive habit. 2. Set up automated and smart savings programs. Do you often find yourself forgetting to save or putting it off because life gets too busy? What if saving money could be as simple as setting it and forgetting it? It sounds too good to be true, right? But with automated savings programs, it's possible, and they're a game changer for staying consistent with your savings. One of the easiest and most efficient ways to save consistently is by setting up automated transfers. For example, let's say you set up a transfer of $100 from your checking account to your savings account every month. With scheduled savings, you don't need to think about it. It happens automatically. Before you know it, that $100 becomes a significant amount over time, and you've saved money without lifting a finger. But here's the best part, many banks now offer round-up savings. This feature rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar, and the extra change is automatically transferred into your savings account. Picture this, you buy a coffee for $2.75. The purchase gets rounded up to $3, and that extra 25 cents is quietly saved in your account. Over time, those small, micro savings add up, without affecting your daily budget. These automated savings tools remove the friction of manual saving, making the whole process effortless. It's all about simplifying the act of saving, so you don't have to make decisions or think twice. And if your financial situation changes, many of these tools let you adjust your transfers, keeping saving flexible and consistent. Whether it's round-up programs or scheduled micro-deposits, automating your savings is one of the best ways to build wealth consistently over time. 3. Gamification and behavioral nudges for increased motivation. How do you make saving money fun? What if saving wasn't just another boring task on your to-do list? The truth is, people are drawn to play, even when it comes to saving money. Gamification is a powerful tool that banks are using to make the savings process more engaging and rewarding. By incorporating gamified elements like progress bars and visual goal trackers, banks are turning the act of saving into an interactive experience. Imagine being able to watch a virtual jar fill up with every deposit you make, showing you exactly how close you are to your goal. This instant visual feedback makes the saving process motivating and keeps you on track. In addition to progress bars, some apps feature leaderboards and point systems, where you earn points for saving money and can even compete with friends or other users. This creates a fun challenge, encouraging you to save more while competing in a lighthearted way. To take it a step further, financial institutions can create financial challenges, where users aim to save a certain amount within a set time frame, with rewards like cashback or discounts when they hit their goals. Even better, apps might use a streak system, similar to popular apps like Duolingo, where customers are motivated to continue saving consistently each month to keep their streaks alive. The more gamified elements there are, the more engaging the savings process becomes. By adding an element of play, saving money becomes a habit you'll actually look forward to. 4. Integration of budgeting and expense tracking tools. Do you know exactly where your money is going each month? Many people don't realize how much they're spending on small, everyday purchases until they start tracking it. The truth is, tracking your expenses is one of the most powerful tools you can use to stay consistent with your savings goals. It gives you insight into your spending patterns, helping you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Today, budgeting and expense tracking tools are more advanced than ever. Most banking apps now feature tools that automatically categorize your expenses into categories like groceries, entertainment, dining out, and more. These visual dashboards provide a clear, organized overview of your spending, so you can easily spot areas where you're overspending. It's like having a personal financial assistant in your pocket. But what sets these tools apart is their ability to adjust based on your actual spending and income. Many apps now use AI to create dynamic budgets that evolve with your financial situation. This means that if you spend a little more than expected one month or face an unexpected expense, the app will automatically adjust your budget to keep you on track. It also sends real-time alerts if you're nearing your limit in categories like entertainment or dining, helping you stay disciplined and avoid overspending. What's even more helpful is the integration of all your accounts, savings, checking, credit cards, and even investments. This holistic view of your finances makes it easier to track your overall financial health. You can see where your money is going across all areas of life and make smarter, more informed decisions about where to allocate your savings. With everything in one place, it's much easier to prioritize your savings goals and stay consistent in the long run. 5. Build an emergency fund builder. What would you do if an emergency arose today? Whether it's a medical bill, car repair, or unexpected job loss, having an emergency fund can make all the difference in maintaining financial stability. Building an emergency fund is one of the smartest ways to stay consistent with saving because it provides financial resilience in times of crisis. To make it easier, many banking apps now offer emergency fund builder tools. These tools allow you to create separate pots or sub-accounts specifically for emergency savings, making it easier to see your progress and stay motivated to reach your goal. By keeping your emergency fund separate from your regular savings, you reduce the temptation to dip into it for non-emergencies. Additionally, these tools often include restrictive withdrawal capabilities, which ensure that you don't accidentally use the funds for everyday expenses. This acts as a form of self-discipline, helping you stay committed to building your emergency fund over time. With features like round-up savings or scheduled microdeposits, you can steadily build your emergency fund without much effort. For example, every time you make a purchase, the spare change could be automatically directed into your emergency fund, gradually increasing your savings without impacting your daily life. And that's a wrap on the top 5 smart ways to stay consistent with saving money. By personalizing your savings goals, automating your savings, making it fun with gamification, and using smart budgeting tools, these strategies will make saving effortless and consistent. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building your financial future. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first, and how it'll help you stay consistent with your savings goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.